but I got a hole to see through. We made it. And we're driving the broken quad backwards so it doesn't rip the axle out again. That's the way to do it. Redneck improvise. Repair time. Okay, let's shake that wheel and see what we got.
Can't shake. Oh, there we go.
You can do better than that. Come on, two-hander. Yeah, we got problems, but we drove back in reverse and we made it no problem. Okay, let's get the welder going. Okay, let's sew some detail. Move that thing.
I'm not sure what's wrong with it.
I'm not sure either. Looks like we have a dislocated clavicle. Could be.
It might be.
Yeah, it's pretty serious, but we can do her. You're recording.
All right, before and after.
Alrighty, turn it off.
Dave, you gotta get in there.
Well, I gotta get. This is the shot. That's the shot. Alrighty. We are leaking gas. Where? Right there.
Let's get her.
Yeah, let's go. Shut it off.
Boom! Wait till I just throw a rag down.
Where the hell was it coming from? Dave, you got the pin pull on this bitch?
The pin is full.
Alright, where was the guy coming out? I think he actually stole the bowl.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Alright.
Well, you know what? That may be some gas that was sitting there from before when we had a
I don't know.
light on
Let's temper it again.
I'm ready to go, guys.
No, don't actually turn the fire extinguisher on unless it's like a big flame.
Yeah.
A little flame is better for the camera because you get shot. You don't want to put up
It's all about the shot.
not less the quad catches fire.
And if it does, let her burn. It's insured.
Okay.
Why you gotta just pull the trigger? I've never used one.
All you do is squeeze it now, but like I said, don't do it until we see some flame action.
And then you're like, oh, handle those.
That's rating. One fire is rating. Yeah, why you look scared? Yeah. I don't look scared.
Or just give me the face.
You can always push it outside and let it burn outside. Okay.
I got her, buddy. I'm filming this shit.
Okay.
Start to finish.
Oh, we're lighting. We're
All right.
that's not covered in gas.
The fire stopped, rock and roll. Guaranteed you will. It's ratings.
That rod's thin underneath. I gotta turn it down to 2. It's rusted out inside.
Would have a pipe over top.
Yeah, except that it's kind of wide. Oh, yeah.
Ow, my eyeball. Connor, who loves ya? Yeah, right. Make love to the camera. Ow, my eye. Jeebus. Rudy's looking right at it. He's gonna have the flash.
I've seen the blue.
Oh, all right. Hey.
Well, you can look, you look at it for a quick second. Here's what I want. Daddy!
Oh, let's check out the job.
John.
Here we go.
It's not on the stand.
Is that axle back in the... Alrighties. Just try her out. She's all welded.
Won't let her turn the fuel on. She won't
Yeah, that'll help.
turn that on. I know that for a fact.
It might be a bit flooded. Hold the gas on. There you go. Give her. Smokes like a banshee, but she's done. Now all we gotta do is fix the idle and speed on this three-wheeler. 284.
Doesn't matter, man. That's an extra 100.
Nothing like tools and beer. Get the job done. Okay, start her up. Let's see her run. All fixed now. There you go. No more high-speed idle. Sweet.
Not bad for a 20-year-old girl. Although I felt a lot of things 20-year-olds that didn't feel bad.
I'm sure. I'm sure.